and welcome to the weekend. Although honestly at this point life is one giant weekend because Bahrain closed down all the schools because of coronavirus. So for the last, I actually don't know. It could be 2 weeks, could be 3, it could be 4. I literally have no idea how long this has been happening. But for the last few weeks I've been working from home, so the weekend comes and goes and usually has started to pass me by because every day is pretty much the same. Except today, because I was on my way to the kitchen to get breakfast, I ran into Abida and out of nowhere we decided that we were gonna make today a brunch day because why not? Originally it was gonna be because Cody texted me to say he was finishing work early and I was like, perfect, let's all go to brunch. And then he texted me back to say actually he's not coming home, and me and Abida were like, we could still go to brunch. So that's what we're gonna do. I really need to put my face together. Also, if my room looks like a man has just walked in and like thrown stuff everywhere, it's because a man has walked in and just thrown stuff everywhere, so apologies for the relentless mess. So we're en route to brunch, only 20 minutes behind the schedule we'd set ourselves, but we don't have to rush for anyone. It's Friday, we can take all the time in the world. And we're going to Big Texas Barbecue and Waffle House. Shocker. What's new? There are so many brunches in Bahrain and this is the one that we always end up going to. We need to try new brunches.
We say that and then we're like, where should we go? Big Texas.
Here's the thing, I want to try out all the brunches. Well, not all of them, but I want to try out a bunch of different brunches and like make videos about them. But also brunch is really expensive. So maybe if Brunch could invite us to make videos for them and then we go for free, and in exchange we drink cocktails and make videos about it. Is that a possibility? Brunch, if you're listening,
we're a great time.
Brunch as a whole, if you're out there. Also, we just went up to get food. By the way, I love this food. I know it's like Big Texas barbecue, but I'm vegetarian, so is Abida. It's our favorite place for food. It has so many vegetarian options, and also we just spotted they have a new live cooking pasta station. Pasta?
This is the best mashed potatoes I've ever had.
So we're definitely gonna check that out once we've eaten all the carbs. We're gonna go get more carbs. I'm so happy. I'm excited as if I've never had pasta before in my life. Okay, so we're heading to the bathroom and it's the only quiet place where I can kind of like sit and chat because it's so loud in there, but it's so much fun. The first thing I want to say is I've eaten so much I feel like I could burst out of my dress, like burst at the seams, which would be unfortunate because it is in fact Abida's dress. And if I ripped it open by eating too many carbs,
I would be very sad.
That pasta was phenomenal. I've always felt like the food at Big Texas was my favorite brunch food. I love the mashed potatoes here. Best mashed potatoes in the world. Mac and cheese. They added tater tots to their brunch menu and
great decision.
It was like the world had been changed for me. And then when we saw that pasta station, I was like, wait, I never realized that that's what I always wanted.
Their pasta tastes like you're at like a gourmet Italian restaurant. Like you wouldn't think you were just at like a Texas brunch.
So good. So good.
And they have guacamole.
They do. They actually, the reason I like it here is they have all my favorite things. So we're about to head back into the party where pretty soon karaoke will be kicking off.
Well, we will sing Carrie Underwood.
Yes, we will. It's so funny because, like, we're not talented singers. That's the nicest way I can put it, but we do love to sing a little bit of Carrie Underwood, and I mean, it is what it is.
In the UK, you cannot get antibacterial wipes for love nor money. In Bahrain, they come on every table at the restaurant.
Happy Saturday, friends. After a day full of carbs yesterday, Cody just ordered us McDonald's to eat in bed. Thank you. I'm just editing the video that I'm going to upload today, which I should have done probably yesterday instead of going to brunch. Ow! That hurt. Okay, so it is now 1 p.m. Productive morning aims, way to go. We are gonna have a productive afternoon, I hope, because I mean, you guys saw a glimpse yesterday of how disgusting this room is. And we are going to fix that problem today because ever since Cody got back, like, when did you get back?
The 18th?
It's like a month ago.
A month ago?
I love you, but I have had Cody's clothes strewn over my floor for a month.
And you, my defense, the washer and dryers here are terrible. They're about yay big. And they take forever, and it's a washer dryer mix. You know how long it takes to dry clothes? It's just, it's a mess.
Yeah, but also, if you had the amount of laundry that a normal person has, then we wouldn't have that problem.
And we're like, have to wear like 3 outfits a day to work, so.
Yeah, but you don't have to wash all of them every day. That's 15 outfits a week. I don't know what you're doing, but
she just judges me and tells me I have laundry to do all the time. I like
it's
clean
difficult
clothes.
for me. You know, I feel like Cinderella because all I do now is laundry.
Do you want me to get you some glass slippers?
Yes, please. We had a conversation this morning about whether a laundry basket was allowed because I'm doing a no buy year. But
I'm buying it, so.
Yeah, he's gonna buy it, and also if it wasn't for him being here, we wouldn't need it. So like, it's for him, it's not for me. Well, it's for my sanity.
She puts her dirty clothes in a drawer.
Because I have a spare, okay, I have a spare drawer in my dresser when I first moved in. Because I don't have that much stuff, and I was like, I could go out and buy a laundry basket that's gonna take up space, or I could just put all my dirty clothes into the drawer. That's not weird, right? I don't know. We just got back. We did not get a laundry basket. They were sold out. We got literally everything else. I got vegan chicken nuggets. I'm so excited. And variety pack of White Claws. I could not be more basic right now, and I don't even care. I saw those White Claws and I was like, oh my gosh, stop everything, we need to get them. Also, Cody spent $100 on a Bluetooth speaker. Just casually.
I've been wanting one for like 2 years, and I decided to, I was like, even last year I was like, I need to buy a Bluetooth speaker. Didn't, so it was on sale for $100.
It was on sale. You're more impulsive than I am.
That is a fact.
You are impulsive, whereas I'm like, I need to research it at length, then make myself feel really guilty about it, and then maybe 5 months later I might consider buying it. Whereas you're like, I'm gonna get a Bluetooth speaker today. Ta-da! Also, we were thinking at some point, I don't know when, in hopefully the near future, whenever Cody gets time off work, that we're gonna film like a real introduction to my boyfriend, because you pop up occasionally in vlogs, but I feel like you're still an enigma. Like, who is this man? So
some stranger
just
down the
strange
street
guy who like buys me vegan chicken nuggets. What more do you need? So we were thinking whenever he gets time, we'd like to film like a sit down video where you guys can get to know him. But we're gonna do it Q&A style. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and we'll try and answer those whenever we get around to doing that. My life is just such a struggle today. Cody was like, you didn't put my chicken nuggets in the freezer. And I was like, yes, I did. And he's like, no, they're still in the bag. I was like, what did I put in the freezer? Tide Pods. I put the Tide Pods in the freezer.
Totally, you gotta stop snacking on Tide Pods. That's the thing of the past.
Wait, no, I can't. This is ridiculous. I walked in, I just went to take the rubbish out, and I was like, let's vlog our new laundry basket. And literally in the time it took me to go to the rubbish chute and come back, Cody has filled up our brand new laundry basket with dirty laundry.
We had the clothes out there. It's not like all of a sudden I was like, boom, you know what, I'm gonna take all this off and have dirty clothes everywhere.
I genuinely think you have more dirty clothes than I have just clothes altogether.
I have work clothes in there, all kinds of stuff. So you know what? And like 3 pairs of jeans.
I have never lived with a man before. Is this a man thing? Do they just like accumulate dirty laundry? We just got finished unpacking all of Cody's stuff. I folded his clothes KonMari style, which he doesn't know what that means, but I think it's good. I don't think he's going to enjoy it, but personally, I think it's great. I can't see, you're not there. It's just...
That didn't work. I'm over here somewhere. That's alright.
Okay, this is a lot. So Cody just left for work. I am chilling, watching Monsters University on Disney Plus and living my best life. We were gonna go to watch the rugby, but luckily we looked it up before we left because it had actually been cancelled because of coronavirus. So we couldn't go do that because it wasn't happening. So now I think I'm going to just shower, change into my PJs, watch some more Disney Plus, and get some sleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed following me around for another weekend in Bahrain. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, the things, you know the drill. But until next time, I love you all so much, and I will see you soon. Bye!